So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about 3 things. Please don't scroll. It is going to help you. If not for you, it will help your friend. It will help somebody that is close to you, as long as you have a female close to you. Now I'm going to be talking about funbact A or Skinel, Visita Plus, all of those creams, those tube cream. I'm posting it here now so you understand. Those tube creams, I'm going to be talking about what actually it is for, right? And what if you should apply funbact A or all of those things to your baby, right? That's number 2. If you should apply it to your baby. If you do apply it to your baby, what will happen to them, right? Then I will tell you what they are actually made for. Okay, we abuse things a lot in this country, part of the world where I am. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you all of these things, and I'm going to be telling you how bleaching can cause kidney failure for you. Yes, how bleaching can cause kidney I'm not talking about skin cancer now, because I'm a renal nurse, a nephrology nurse, so I'm talking about my specialty. Mind you, it is going to cause skin cancer, but I will teach you how it is going to cause kidney failure for you, liver failure for you, and all other things. So let's get to it. Now, funbact A or Skinel, all of those things, they contain 3 properties. They are anti-inflammatory. They are made of they are anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial, right? And they have corticosteroids. Yes, they are steroids, corticosteroids, right? Now, these products are used for fungal infection or bacterial infection. For instance, you're having inflammation, like you're having pimples, right? Or you're having like ringworm, or you're having like eczema, or you're breaking out, and this thing will have to be prescribed by a health personnel, usually in the pharmacy or a dermatologist, right? Now they are prescribed and they are going to be used for some certain amount of time. It is not cream. Like yesterday I posted a video about this, and it broke my heart when I found out that women are rubbing these creams to your baby. Come on, how? Just hold on, I'm going to tell you so much that you need to know about this thing, especially rubbing your baby this cream. Now this is what this cream is used for, all of this cream that I mentioned. So it is also used for yeast infection in the skin, wound dressing, itching. Maybe you're having jock itch as a result of fungal infection too. Ringworm, I've mentioned it. Now when you apply, let me tell you the side effects of this cream. Now the side effects of this cream, the side effect only comes when you continue applying it more than the duration that you're supposed to apply it. For instance, after years, it can be after some years. Yes. Number 1 is going to cause diabetes for you over a long period of time. It can cause kidney damage for you over a long period of time. Can increase your these other ones are the lower causes, right? It can aggravate the inflammation you're having already. Now when you apply these things, for starters, right? For starters, when you apply them, it's going to clear your acne, it's going to do those things, make you have this kind of glow. Hence most people try to continue this use. Don't continue, stop. Now these things make you get used to steroids that no other cream works on you. Yes, when you stop them and then you go get a normal cream, you become dark. It doesn't work on your skin, destabilizes. That is why it is supposed to be applied for a very short period of time and then you stop. So now, However, this is for the weaning off of this steroid, of this cream. This is triple action cream, right? It is not cream. Actually, I forgot to make mention of this fact. I've made mention of it in my other videos. It is medication. They are drugs. They are not for applying this thing. You can imagine the things I've told you they do. It makes them a drug. This is a medicine. It is not a cream for your daily, creaming of your body. Okay, so this is a cream, and when you apply it for a long period of time, now take it as your normal cream, it gives you this pale skin kind of look. Okay, and apart from that, I've told you the major things it can do for you. It can even cause stomach ulcer. Now, this stomach ulcer is the one that is for the babies. Now, the babies, this is the side effects for adults. Now, the side effects of the babies, it can cause stunted growth for a baby. If you're applying it on your baby, I need you to know this. It can cause stunted growth for your baby. Meanwhile, let me answer that fact. Can you apply these things to your baby? No. The answer is no, except it is prescribed by your pediatrics and they have a smaller one they are going to prescribe for you. Don't follow all of these people out there. A professional knows, pediatric doctor knows what to do. If he hires, he might even tell you to apply it for 3 days, but I doubt it is on with his discretion. Now, when he tells you to apply it for 3 days, if he does, or another form of this cream, don't continue, because you've seen that your baby, the area, maybe your baby had jock rash and all of those things. You now saw that the area has become smooth, the baby's skin has become smooth. You continue. You don't continue. It is a drug. Now, this thing might damage your baby's kidney. It might cause stunted growth. For an adult, osteoporosis, your bone becomes brittle. Why? Because all of these things I'm explaining, I'm going to explain to you how it does happen. Now, corticosteroid is a form of sugar, right? Is a hormone actually. Now, when I remember I told you it's going to cause diabetes for you, and it might also damage the kidneys for you. Now, anything will have different types of drugs, right? There are drugs that are topical. Topical means drugs that are applied on the skin. Anything you apply on your skin goes into your system. This applies for people that are bleaching. This is how this bleaching, because I'm also going to be telling you side effects of bleaching now, so that I don't make the video prolong. If you're applying bleaching creams, know that everything that you're rubbing on your skin, your system is inhaling it. Your kidneys is inhaling it. Your kidneys are filtering them out. Yes. So now, when you apply so much of this corticosteroid and some other harmful, especially for people that are bleaching. Now, there are some bleaching creams that have terrible compounds that you're not even aware that they will not write. Especially the ones that I don't want to mention a brand that they call organic, that they miss a lot of things in them. They miss a lot of things in them that makes you white after 7 days. How? These things goes into your skin. From your skin, your body absorbs it. Your kidney will try to excrete them. And this thing continues happening for over a long period of time. Your kidney might start having holes in them. This is called nephrotic syndrome. That protein will start seeping out from your kidneys. From nephrotic syndrome, this enters kidney failure if something is not being done. This is my field. I'm telling you, it is my field. I am saying this with so much awareness, with so much love and so much anger at the same time, because everybody don't want to accept their skin color, right? So in the part of this tube steroids now that are triple action, now this steroid gets into your system continually. It's a steroid, of course, increases your blood sugar level continually. When you get diabetes, you don't know, over a long period of time, diabetes will cause kidney failure for you. So my dear beautiful ladies, you just need to be careful. Let's talk about the other things that these tube creams, using it more than the expected time you're supposed to use it, and skin bleaching, other things these things does for you, apart from the kidney damage, the liver damage, the skin cancer. Okay, we have hypertension, yes. We have cataracts, glaucoma. Your eyes will start doing somehow. You won't be able to see for normally. There's a condition called cataract and glaucoma. Let me not just dwell there. I've made mention of osteoporosis, where bones become so brittle. All these things, just know that it seeps everything you're rubbing. They are compound in these things that will seep into your skin, from your skin into your system, and cause all of these things for you. Okay, we have you can easily have skin injury. Your skin becomes so light and so soft. Any small thing, you get injured and you start bleeding easily. You have skin bags, you have eye bags, you have cellulites. I hope you know what cellulite is. I'll try my best to impute these things, like a picture of them. I don't really know much because I don't have a technical team yet. I'm just trying my little best to, you know, do these videos. I edit it myself. Most people don't edit themselves, but I try my best to make sure that, you know, stretch marks, it makes your skin saggy, it destroys the integrity of your skin. Remember, this is not first hand, it is later on. It is later on. So at first you're looking all beautiful, all young, all nice, your baby looks all good, you know, you don't know, it's later. Now this baby might have stunted growth and other things. You can imagine as an adult happening to this thing, happening to this person as an adult. What about a baby? And then when they grow, they feel they are naturally fair and they start rubbing all of those things at young age. They're now, as young age that they are supposed to be thinking about school, they are now thinking about how to make themselves fair, you know. Then when you have skin born, later I'm going to be telling you why your skin is beautiful. If you have a black, especially for Africans, our skin are beautiful. If you have a black skin, you see most of these things we are calling the melanin in your skin has a protection that these things, skin cancer, all of these things from the UV rays doesn't penetrate. It protects you. It has this natural protection. So when you're bleaching, what you're doing is you're killing off the melanin that protects your skin. So UV rays and other cancer products, cancer agents can seep into your skin. Now, have you seen albinos? The ones, they are the type of albinos I'm talking. They have skin cancer. They have patchy things because they don't have melanin that protects them. So be careful. Now I saw someone okay, let me talk about also bleaching when you're pregnant. You see women of these days now, they no longer get black. They will say pregnancy is good on them because of these things that they rub. It is bad. This thing can cause congenital birth defects. What is congenital birth defect? Congenital birth defects are the birth defect that happens when a baby gets born. They get them at birth. It's from birth, it's from in utero. Okay, you born a baby now, you see how the baby is. Number one you will get is mental retardation. Apart from mental retardation is not actually the number one. Number one is you might you might find out that your baby does not have a kidney, does not have eyes, can't breathe well, the lungs can't breathe well, enlarged heart, the baby's heart is enlarged, and some other forms of heart congenital heart defects that can occur. Now, stomach ulcer, so many things can happen to this baby. Failure to thrive, when the baby after giving birth to the baby, you find that the baby can't grow normally. The normal things that a baby do, maybe as 2 months old, at 3 months, 4, 5, 6 months, 1 year, the baby won't do that. The baby will still remain almost like a child. Okay, that's failure to thrive. Mental retardation, the baby's ability, IQ level will be low. It will not be on the average or high IQ. The baby's mental retardation, mental level will be low. The baby can't, be able to perform something that a normal person will perform. And this is gradually, as the person gets old. It's not like after becoming a baby, when the person becomes an adult, it goes off. No. It can also cause stomach ulcer for the baby. It can also cause osteoporosis for the baby, bone brittleness, a lot of things. Please, I can't say so much. The video is already long, but I believe with these things I'm telling you, you already know what to do. The word is enough for the wise. You can drop questions, ask me. I also urge you, I know the next question is what cream do we use? I urge you that if you want to use cream, go for reputable creams. They are whitening agents actually. Lightening cream actually, but these lightening creams, they are more expensive and they are from a reputable company. So they use whatever they use, they are highly graduated, right? they put the normal amount, but most of these organic creams that your neighbors do, they don't know the amount they are supposed to put. And these reputable companies I'm telling you, for instance, Nivea, I know Nivea is for dark people, but there are some other lighter companies like what is Fair and White, I've forgotten lots of them in this video. So all those ones, they are being supervised, all eyes are on them, they have monthly supervision, okay? So they put this thing in normal quantities, and when you start, don't worry, you might be dark because of all of these things that you've been rubbing. So don't worry, it's just a gradual process and your skin will heal. Or I suggest you meet a skin therapist, a dermatologist. They will help you get a good cream for yourself, okay? This are also mixing. If you're still mixing cream in this era, stop. I'm tired, my voice is lost already. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share, and I love you more. If you don't like, I won't have the courage to do more. Like and subscribe. Did you like the video you just watched? Please make sure you comment, like and share. It's going to make me to do more. And again, please, if there's anything I didn't do well, if there's anywhere I need to improve, please make sure you comment respectfully.